Hey everyone. Recently, someone from LinkedIn Network asked me how to break into the AI field from manufacturing engineering, especially in mechanical sector. And while I really wanted to help, I do not have such advanced knowledge on AI capabilities in this field. And I thought, you know what? Let's try something else. So I turned directly to ChatGPT, asking this question, adding a little bit more updates. Very simple to provide suggestions in that field about learning AI, so the person can grow further. It's all about the break into the AI field. um, this connection already provided some of the system that he believes are beneficial, but let's see if ChatGPT will provide any additional information. And also trying to make sure that the feedback provided will allow to carry on through the implementation. So I'm asking ChatGPT to develop actionable steps and detailed suggestions, making sure nothing is unanswered. So let's see what ChatGPT will tell us. Okay, memory updated. And you can see it's in the process of creation. So breaking into AI as manufacturing engineer is a fantastic step. Well done. And it's based on the current trend. So it gives us the foundation. It then carries on with step by step. So understanding the foundation, it talks about some course resources to develop the learning, and it even suggests some different channels if we're talking about YouTube or so. Then it goes further into the learning aspects as programming with Python, what libraries to focus on, practice, going further with examples that the person mentioned, so the Siemens, and the practical application, ways to explore it. So there is a good foundation of networking, of course. It's always about knowing people. Good foundation right away. And imagine this. Without ChatGPT, I had no idea what options are even available. And now, thanks to this, I even have the action plan. So, looking at the time frame, looking at the steps to complete, and the potential outcome. So now I can share this with my network, with my connection, to carry on and maybe explore further. And of course, from ChatGPT, if you are not satisfied with the feedback provided, it's just a matter of please add additional details, maybe including links to learnings provided. And you just carry on the conversation. How I treat ChatGPT? My sister will laugh now. It's one of my best friend. Whenever I have a question, I go into it. But it's about asking, re-asking, changing the information so the system will take it from there. But make sure that you give the foundation, you give the structure, what tone you want, what layout you expect the outcome to be in. Look, now I even have the links to every system learning provided. So it's even more specific feedback that I can share with the person that asked me that question. What do you think? Hopefully, you were able to explore something new today. Let me know in the comments if you are utilizing ChatGPT or any other AI tools, and if so, how? Or maybe I can learn something from you as well for the future. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.